In this video, I tell you 6 best tips to get clear and brighten eyes. First one is use regular eye drops. Eye drops are used to reduce redness in your eyes and give them a bit of moisture to counteract irritants and otherwise dryness in the eyes. Put at least 1 to 2 drops in the affected eyes. Number 2 is get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. If you are having trouble falling asleep, try soothing music or 10 minutes of meditation before going to bed to ensure that your body knows that it's time to sleep. Number 3 is use eyeliner. Just a sweep or two of white eyeliner on your eyelid. You can also take little white eyeliner near corner of your lids and blend it. This will give an angel-like look. Your face will look very fresh. Number 4 is wear sunglasses when you are outside. Ultraviolet rays can damage your eyes over time, and exposure to sunlight contribute to yellowing your eyes. Wear sunglasses that protect your eyes from ultraviolet radiations. Number 5 is eat fruits. Fruits will also help to detoxify your liver. A healthy liver will help keep the whites of your eyes clear and bright. Number 6 is drink water. Bright white eyes rely on adequate hydration, and keeping your body hydrated will help to replenish your body fluids, thus reducing puffiness and redness in your eyes. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of plain water every day.